this is Suzanne Dempsey, and I recently hired GBC to do work on my home. They began replacing the roof, which they did a wonderful job. Then they proceeded to paint the entire house, and they had to do a lot of work on the wood, because being at the beach, nothing lasts too long. But I'm so pleased with what they've done. Their employees were courteous, prompt, and I highly recommend them to anyone who needs work on their home. This is the house that was painted. It was a very dark gray, and we did more of a light ash color gray. And then as we go around, they completely did everything. There was a lot of wood on this house that had to be replaced due to living near the beach or dry rot. They also painted the fencing around the house. And then we can go and I'll show you the rest of it. Alright, if you can look up here, this is the side of the house, and all the white pieces of wood had to be replaced because of dry rot. They also did new roofing for me. This is the back portion of the house. Again, had to paint all the wood, replace a lot. And I just want to tell you what wonderful men were working on the house. They were considerate, they were prompt, and you couldn't find a nicer bunch of guys. Very pleased with the work.